Hello, Jody here, and another edition of Joli Natural Skincare in the Raw with Joli. Getting all befuddled here. Hello and long time no vid. Tonight I wanted to show you how to apply a moisturiser as a cold cream mask. Now this is very Elizabeth Taylor-esque. I don't know if you recall the sort of images and things that she said. I'm sorry that you have of her with her white sort of Mrs. Doubtfire face. So it's at the end of the night. I've got back from a late sort of work meeting. I'm pretty tired. So whoops-a-daisy. Yeah, just my head's all over the place. So I'll just do and talk and whatever. So Rich Cream Moisturiser. I don't know if that'll focus. That's one of the ones that you can use. Rich Cream Moisturiser is really good for normal skin. Then we have here, let's see if you can see that. That's Light Moisturiser. I'll show you what Light Moisturiser looks like as well. That's for oily skin or to use in summertime when you're wanting that sort of just a whisper of a moisturiser that's still nourishing and you can feel that it's on. So Whipped Cream Moisturiser is for mature and dry skin. It's sort of a similar consistency to Rich Cream, although Rich Cream you see is more solid, Whipped Cream's more like whipped cream. And they have different oils in them. So this one here is good for normal to dry skin, and Whipped Cream is good for really dry skin, particularly redheads, people from England, that kind of thing, and also mature skin. Alright, so let us start. Rich Cream. So I don't know if I mentioned, but you get yourself a nice brush and you put it in, put it on. Now you can kind of have it any thickness you want, so just play around with how that feels. And it's so soothing because my eyes are hanging out my bum. And yeah, normally we'd go to bed, you know, a day like this with makeup on because we're so knackered. But alas, I don't want to do that, so I thought it's a good opportunity to show you what the moisturiser does. Okay, so now I'll give you a demo of the Light Moisturiser as well. You'll see that it's more runny and it goes on like so. So it's thinner, doesn't spread as far, but that can be quite beneficial for acne skin, problem skin, blemish skin, because generally they can't handle the rich moisturiser, it's too oily for the skin type. And it's funny because they're not really oily, but they have more sort of richer butters and oils. Alrighty, so there you go. So you've got the light and the rich, and you'd leave that on for 10 minutes, let that settle in. Now I should explain the reason that we're doing this is because at the end of the day you've got your makeup on and you want to take it off. But there's two things. Firstly, it's late and you can't be bothered with the full cleansing thing. You've got the wash and the toner and the scrub, blah, blah, blah. It's too tiring. We're tired, right? It's night time, we're exhausted, we want to go to bed. And the other thing is that it's really nourishing, so and it takes your makeup away. So you get a hot cloth, a hot flannel or warm flannel in water, and you just wipe that off. Try to go upwards, it's good for the gravity. Anyway, so they're the reasons that you do this, and yeah, it's just a really sort of nice thing to do for your skin. Just give it that good drink every now and then. So I would recommend at least once a month, but 2 if you can. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my tired butt do a video late at night, and yeah, thanks for watching.